MPC Sample has powerful resampling capabilities, which allows you to apply effects to your samples and loops and then resample them internally back to a pad. So let's use this loop, and we have like a tape emulator on. And what we're going to do, we're going to resample this effect that's playing over our loop on its own independent pad. Now to do this, we go to Sample, and I'm going to be using pad 13, which is an empty pad, to resample to. So we hit sample record, and we need to change our source to resample. So now we can resample to this pad. Now we need to use our knob 2 to set our sample length. Now, if you have it on free, this means that there is no fixed length when you're sampling. But we're going to change this to sequence, which means it uses the sequence length for its sampling time. Now, to start the resampling, simply strike the pad, and it's now waiting for us to start the signal. Let's press play, and now we're resampling. And as you can see, it's going to stop sampling at the end of our sequence. There we have it. So we press stop, and now there's our exact loop determined by our sequence length, resampled with effects. So let's turn off the original effects, go back to sample, and now let's play our sample back. Now that you've resampled, you can go into chop mode, and now you could chop up that sample. We can also apply this technique to melodic samples that we've taken straight from vinyl. So what I want to do, I want to take this sample from vinyl and apply the effects and put it on its own pad. So there's another way we can do this just by hitting sample and pad 11, and this will automatically resample it straight to that pad with the effects on. Now we can retune this. We can go into chop mode. We can also use the sample recall feature, which is continually recording over a 20-second period in the background. This feature is great because if there's something that you played and you didn't quite capture it, it's always going to be available to recall if it's within those 20 seconds. So I want this pad here. Now I've got a sample with effects on, and I want to recall that sample with what I just played. Hold down Shift, hit sample recall, and now it's going to apply it to the next available pad. Now what I need to do from here is simply select the pad that it sent the recall to, and as you can see, there is our sample. So we can now use our trim feature and edit our sample. So now that we've got that, we'll use pad 13 to truncate. And now let's just zoom in to the front again, and we're just going to trim this up a little bit more to get our start point accurate. Now that we've done that, Shift pad 13, and now here's our sample that we added effects on and used sample recall. Let's just slice the end. There we have it. And now you can use this, go into chop mode, and use this over your beat. Change the tuning. As you can see, resampling on MPC Sample is very powerful. Now, thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you on the next one.